Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar with your astrologer N Baksh, where we decode the celestial secrets just for you. Are you ready to discover what the stars have planned for you this week? From love and relationships to career and personal growth, every zodiac sign holds a unique cosmic story. So sit back, relax, and let's unravel the mysteries of the universe together. Your weekly horoscope is not just a prediction, it is a guide to navigate life's twists and turns. Let's begin this journey with the stars. Let's start with our first horoscope of the week with Aries. Firstly, we'll talk about your career and finances. Jupiter in Taurus will bring growth and stability to your career and financial matters. Focus on practical and long term strategies for career advancement and financial planning. This period favors making secure investments and setting financial goals. Mercury in Cancer will enhance your communication and financial planning skills. It is a good time for negotiating contracts and making financial decisions, but avoid letting emotions cloud your judgment. If we talk about your relationships and personal life, Venus in Virgo will bring a practical approach to relationships. You will work on improving clarity and understanding in your relationships. This is a favorable time for resolving misunderstandings and having constructive conversations. Sun in Leo will highlight your leadership and social presence. You will take on a prominent role in your family and social circle. Use this time to strengthen bonds with loved ones, but balance authority with humility to avoid conflicts. Health wise, Mars in Gemini will boost your energy and motivation for physical activity. This is a good time to focus on health goals and stress management. Be cautious of overexertion and impulsive actions. If we talk about your spiritual and mental state, Ketu in Virgo will encourage introspection and spiritual growth. This period is favorable for meditation and self reflection, helping you achieve inner peace. Let's move on to Taurus. Firstly, we'll talk about your career and finances. With Jupiter in your own sign, you can expect growth and expansion in career and financial matters. Focus on long term planning and practical steps to achieve your goals. Investments and financial strategies will be particularly fruitful. Mercury's placement will enhance your ability to make clear financial decisions and communicate effectively. It is a good time for negotiating and planning, but ensure you remain objective and avoid emotional bias. If we talk about your relationships and personal life, Venus in Virgo will bring practicality to your relationships. You'll focus on improving communication and understanding. This period is ideal for resolving misunderstandings and enhancing your relationships. Sun in Leo will highlight your social and personal leadership. You may take a prominent role in family matters and social activities. This time supports building stronger bonds with others while maintaining balance. Health wise, Mars in Gemini will energize your health efforts. Focus on physical activities and managing stress. Be mindful of balancing activity with rest to avoid overexertion. If we talk about your spiritual and mental state, Ketu in Virgo will inspire spiritual growth and self reflection. Engage in meditation and introspective practices to enhance your mental and spiritual well being. Let's move on to Gemini. Firstly, we'll talk about your career and finances. Jupiter in Taurus will favor career stability and financial growth. Focus on practical approaches and long term planning. Secure investments and financial decisions will be highlighted during this period. Mercury in Cancer will boost your financial planning and communication. It is a good time for negotiations and making decisions, but avoid emotional influences. If we talk about your relationships and personal life, Venus in Virgo will emphasize a practical approach in relationships. You'll work on improving clarity and resolving any issues. This period supports constructive interactions and strengthening relationships. Sun in Leo will enhance your personal and social presence. You may find yourself in a leadership role within your family and social circle. Strengthen your relationships while balancing authority with humility. Health wise, Mars in Gemini will provide energy and drive for health activities. Focus on maintaining physical fitness and managing stress. Be cautious of pushing yourself too hard. If we talk about your spiritual and mental state, Ketu in Virgo will encourage spiritual development and introspection. Use this time for meditation and self reflection to achieve inner calm and personal insight. Let's move on to Cancer. Firstly, we'll talk about your career and finances. Jupiter's influence in Taurus will support your career and financial stability. Focus on long term strategies and practical approaches. Financial planning and secure investments will be beneficial. Mercury in your own sign enhances your communication and financial decisions. It is a favorable time for negotiations and planning, but ensure decisions are based on logic rather than emotions. If we talk about your relationships and personal life, Venus in Virgo brings practicality to your relationships. You'll work on improving communication and understanding. This period is ideal for resolving conflicts and enhancing connections with loved ones. Sun in Leo will highlight your leadership and social presence. Expect to take on significant roles within your family and social circles. Strengthen bonds while maintaining humility. Health wise, Mars in Gemini boosts your energy and motivation for health related activities. Focus on maintaining physical health and managing stress. Balance activity with rest to avoid burnout. If we talk about your spiritual and mental state, Ketu in Virgo encourages spiritual growth and self reflection. Engage in meditation and introspective practices to enhance your spiritual well being and achieve inner peace. And that concludes our journey through the stars for this week. Remember, while we explore the wisdom of the heavens, it is Allah who has created everything, and He knows what's best for us. Trust in His infinite mercy and guidance as you navigate your days. If you enjoyed this episode of Sitaru Ka Safar, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more celestial insights. Until next time, this is N Baksh wishing you peace and blessings. Khuda Hafiz.